How to fix RoShade not working. First, you want to restart your PC. Before trying anything, make sure to reset your PC. This clears temporary glitches that can prevent RoShading from launching or applying effects. Step 2 is to ensure that your system can actually support RoShade. So sometimes you don't actually know your system doesn't support it. So what you'll need is the following: a Windows 10 or 11 device, a DirectX 11 Plus capable GPU, Roblox installed via the official launcher, not the Microsoft Store version. Then you want to uninstall and reinstall RoShade by performing these following actions if none of these works. You can also try launching Roblox as administrator, as this can help ensure RoShade gets the necessary permissions to inject its shaders. Finally, you'll have to enable RoShade in game. So once in Roblox, press F7 to open up the RoShade panel. Make sure it's enabled. If not, toggle it on and apply any presets. You might also have to update your graphic settings if it is still not working. Lastly, if nothing works, ensure that you've disabled things like Discord overlays, GeForce Experience, and Razer Cortex, as these can interfere with RoShade. If this video helps you, make sure to subscribe, but for now, goodbye.